Well, this morning it's going to be a big morning because we're going to get our toenails trimmed. Yeah, it's time. We try to do them every week. Oh my goodness, and you're not going to like this. But we have a little trick. We have a little trick. Rub that tummy. Rub that tummy. Okay. He's sound asleep. And just get that nail. Pull it a little bit forward. And now we go to the back toes. If he fusses, you give him a little pet again. Slow, be slow about it. Just grab it and pull it forward just a little till you get that hook in your clippers. Alright. That's good. Get that little hook. You fuss it. You do. Give him a little reassurance with a little pat on his tummy. Come back. And that's all there is to it. See? And he's all woke up.